How to correctly use Wealthsimple app in Canada. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, download the Wealthsimple app from either the iOS Apple Store or Google Play Store for Android. After installing it on your mobile device, open the app and create an account by entering your personal details like your name, email, and phone numbers. You may be asked to verify your identity using a government-issued ID. Next, Wealthsimple will ask you about your financial goal, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. Based on responses, the app will recommend a portfolio suited to your needs, such as conservative, balanced, or growth options. You can then link your bank account to Wealthsimple to transfer funds. The app allows you to set up either one-time or recurring deposit into your investment account. Wealthsimple offers various investment services, including Wealthsimple Invest, which is a robo-advisor that manages a diversified portfolio for you. There is also a Wealthsimple Trade, a platform for buying and selling individual stocks on your own, and Wealthsimple Crypto, where you can buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Wealthsimple Cash provides cash management with spending and saving features. If you want to withdraw funds, the app makes it easy. Through withdrawals may take a few business days to process. That's how you can use the Wealthsimple app in Canada. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.